You made it to week 5. This week's theme is all about persistence and overcoming hurdles. As we go through the semester, you might have some more stress accumulate, you might have issues pop up in your personal life, and this week is about keeping going and making sure that you find ways to overcome any obstacle in your path. Alright, so make sure you check out the overview and the readings this week, as well as the quiz readings. There are some others that will help you with this week's assignments. So you have your quiz, your mindful moment, your discussion. Those are very familiar to you by now. The other assignments that you have are this one, which is about how to deal with things that pop up in your school life, in your personal life, that affect your work at school. And then the big assignment this week, worth 100 points, worth a huge percentage of your grade in the course, is the snapshot presentation. So do not wait until Saturday to get started on this. You want to start early and do it throughout the week. Basically, what you're going to do is create a video and then post it in YouTube and then post it to this discussion for your classmates to see. There are tons of directions here. If you need help or you have questions, please let me know. You'll see that there are two basic content parts to the video, and then there's also video requirements, including captions and adding those to your video. You'll post then in the discussion below the link to your YouTube video so that we can see it and comment on it and just kind of see everyone's educational journey. If you need some ideas, there are also some student examples of snapshot presentations here that you can view to get inspired. Alright, if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great week.